Barco is specialized in the manufacture of digital projection and imaging devices. At Barco, assembly processes are complicated and involve many variant tasks. There is still a lot of pressure on the operator to do assembly tasks faster and with high quality. This is where Arkite steps in. Arkite's human interface mate, HIM, provides the employee with real-time picking and assembly instructions through augmented reality and warns in case of any error in a forward-looking manner. First, the operator scans his badge as well as a product barcode printed on the travel document. Information read from the operator's badge is sent to SAP ME. For each part, Peter scans the barcode, and at this point, a couple of checks are taking place behind the scenes. The HIM system uses a combination of colored lights to inform workers if they do wrong tasks, and also can interrupt even a tool in order to follow the given instruction. The successful completion of each work step is reported back to SAP ME, and a shop floor manager could see the real-time status of the overall assembly task through SAP Manufacturing Execution.
It was fantastic to see the interplay between SAP and Arkite. Thanks to the smooth integration, I can track each state and operator along the entire assembly process, while the operators get interactive guidance.